Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're going to start putting the new bushings on the ARB Old Man Emu shocks that were missing their bushings, and we got some poly bushings to replace them with. Enjoy this little video, and we'll catch you later. Here we go. All right, so we're going to be fitting poly bushings into the ARB shock absorber. This is the rear one. The regular ones that go on here, they're fine, but these go in here. This is what came out. You can see that this is just a little bit thicker in there, so I have to take these down. So we're going to use the bench grinder, and I just roll them around until they fit in there, get them in a lot better. I'll also move the camera so you can see. Good job, bud. I try to make it so you have a little lip on it when it goes in. It just seats in a little bit better. You see, it's gonna just take it down a little bit more in here, and then I'll do the other side, and then we should be able to fit it. Whew, that gets hot. See, that's about where we want it. When we push it in, then we'll be able to put the washer on and squish this in better. I'll do the other one real quick, and then we'll get over to the truck. So, if you don't take them down on the bushing, there's no way to get this washer on. Especially if you're using the Old Man Emu shocks and everything. And it's just a little bit narrow. I don't know if they're different on like regular stock shocks or anything, but when you're using these polyurethane bushings on the Old Man Emu, it just didn't seem to go in. So by grinding it down, I can get the washer on and I can get the nut on just a couple of threads before we whack it on with the impact. I mean, that's good. That's good for me. Now we'll just give it a quick whip up. Get it nice and tight. Not all the way tight yet, though. Come on, get it. And then we'll get the bottom ones in, which I like to say, the bottom ones fit nice. So we'll put the bottom one on. Around. Bushing. And we got the locating washer. I'm gonna get around that side, get her in. See the bushings up there, super tight. Now we can get the axle up where we need it. To get all this located in. Press that in. Second locating washer. Second bushing. Bottom washer. And then I got like if you remember right from the previous video, we got these used. So I have these as a locking 2 nuts. So I don't know if they're only supposed to be 1 nut on there, but I got 2. And what do I do with the socket now? That's been a better one. There it is. Now we can whip this up. That's nice and tight. Super tight. There we go. Just get the locking one on. And then we'll crank up the top one. Make sure. We'll see how that is. All right, just a quick little video on the bushings. And again, we use the polyurethane bushings from Polybush UK. So see how they do. All right, catch you later.